The cobblestones are glistening, the evening hums in gray, 1,000 windows flicker dreams, the rain won't wash away. Your voice still drifts through narrow streets, soft as a violin, and I can hear the echo where your laugh has been. The boats drift slow on broken glass, the bells begin to sigh, the city wears her sorrow like a secret lullaby. I trace your name on fogged up panes and watch it disappear, while Amsterdam keeps whispering she's near. Oh, rain over Amsterdam, it falls like jazz on skin, a tender ache, a sweet refrain where love once might have been. Each drop's a note, each sigh's a plan, still lost in you. In Amsterdam, the bridges lean like weary hearts, reflections softly blur. I walk alone through candlelight, still half of me with her. The night's a map of memories, the city plays its tune, and somewhere past the storm I feel you soon. Oh, rain over Amsterdam, it falls like jazz on skin, a tender ache, a sweet refrain where love once might have been. Each drop's a note, each sigh's a plan, still lost in you. In Amsterdam, some loves are rivers, they never stay. They twist through time, they slip away. But I still see your shadow span across the rain in Amsterdam. Amsterdam, don't let the music end. The song still plays where hearts won't mend. If love's a dream, then here I am, still dreaming in Amsterdam.